Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday said that the double-engine government is working on every possible means to improve connectivity in the capital and to make Bengaluru free from traffic jams. He added that his government is committed to linking the suburban areas of Bangalore with better connectivity. While speaking at the inauguration of multiple rail and road infrastructure projects in Komaghatta, he said, to make Bengaluru free from traffic jams, the double-engine government is working on every possible means, including rail, road, metro and construction of the underpass flyover. I have got the opportunity to complete the development works which should have been done 40 years ago. If these works were completed at that time, then the burden on Bengaluru wouldn't have increased. That's why I don't want to waste time and spend every minute serving people, he added. He said that Bengaluru is a reflection of the spirit of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. The development of Bengaluru is the development of millions of dreams.